Hello, Cinema Bo's new product in. It's the JMGO PicoPlay Smart Portable Projector. Hey Google, Google Cast, Netflix, YouTube, and Prime Video, and of course Google TV. So we've got that up here, and it's model number J617K4 Smart Portable Projector. On the back, gimbal design by JMGO, Flexi Smart Adaptive System, 10 colour RGB dazzling ambient light, and hi-fi Bluetooth speaker mode, so you can flip it. Touch button, touch sensitive design for easier outdoor control, and you've got an action button, one touch access to your favourite apps and settings for effortless control, which is pretty cool. 1080p, full HD, Dolby audio, and that's pretty much it. So the Flexi Smart there is instant gimbal light display correction, smart screen alignment, and smart eye protection. And that's pretty much it on the box, as you can see. So let's get it out and have a look. And here is the inside. Simple affair. So let's open up this here. And there we go. So you're presented with a card. You can see you can put it both horizontally and vertically, which is pretty cool. In here we get a travel bag, quick start guide. We have got a remote control. That's it there, pretty standard remote control. Let's have a look at this bag. And that's it there, so that's great for carrying around with you. I do bring projectors to hotels and on trips with me, as I have a few, and it's nice and handy to have something to put them into like this, which is excellent. Nice material. And we have got the projector itself, and in here we have got some other bits and pieces. So we've got the gel, we've got our mains here. Obviously we need to, and the mains is USB-C, and we need an adapter obviously. In here we have got an optical filter, and here's the main projector itself. So we'll just peel this off here, and there we go. Pretty neat size. You can see here you've got rubber, you've got a footing here, so you can pop it down any way you want really. You can put it this way because the rubber footing's here, so it's going to go this way. You can see you've got the fans and that there. You've got a tripod mount here if you want to pop it on a tripod. There is the front. Up here is our buttons. This is plastic, it's not rubber like this on the sides. And you've got a lanyard strap there. It's not too heavy. And on the back you've got one button here, another one here. You've got HDMI for your input, USB and USB-C there for charging. So I'll just bring it up closer, you can have a look at that there. And that's what it is there. And there's your buttons up on top should you lose your remote control, which will be touch sensitive, which we'll all check out later on. And that's pretty much it, what we're going to get in the box. Rubber foot there, so depending on what way you're going to use it, everyone's going to be different. You can have it this way here, or you can have it this way here, and it can be used as a speaker as well, and all that kind of stuff. So what we're going to do is we're going to take it off and test it, and we'll be back later with a full hands-on video review and demo on what you can do on it, what the picture looks like, what the sound looks like, all that kind of stuff. So do stay tuned for that as we give you a good detailed review on these projectors, as we love them and we've got quite a few, and people like to see what they can do, not the stock image stuff you'll read in magazines and newspapers. We'll have a full hands-on video very soon. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.